Good day everyone. My name is Mark Anthony Bilomakang from the College of Teacher Education. And today I am honored to talk about a leader who has made a significant impact on the Philippines. His name is Rodrigo Roa Duterte. He is widely known for his strong leadership style, crime fighting effort, and dedication to public service. So, what are the backgrounds and biography of Mr. Rodrigo Roa Duterte or former President Rodrigo Roa Duterte? So, Rodrigo Roa Duterte was born on March 28, 1945 in Maasin, Leyte, Philippines. He later moved on to Davao where his father, uh, Vicente Duterte, served as a governor. Duterte studied political science at the Lyceum of the Philippines University, and later he earned a law degree from San Beda College. After passing the bar exam, he became a prosecutor in Davao City before entering politics. He eventually became a mayor of Davao City for serving over 22 years, before becoming 16th president in the Philippines in 2016. So, what are the work experiences Mr. Duterte have? So, Duterte's career in public servant spans a decade. So, Duterte is a prosecutor in 1977 to 1986, focused on criminal law and justice in Davao. Mr. Duterte also is a mayor of Davao City in 1988 to 1998, 2001 to 2010, 2013 to 2016. And also he became also a vice mayor and a congressman in 1998 to 2001 and 2010 to 2013. And later on he became a president in 2016 to 2022. So what are the contributions and legacies Rodrigo Duterte have? So as a leader, Rodrigo Duterte made significant contribution to the Philippines, including War on Drugs, Build project or program, university healthcare law, the Bangsamoro peace processes, and also the COVID-19 response. The reason I choose Rodrigo Roa Duterte, it's because of his present strong leadership, determination, a deep love for his country, his fearless approach to governance, and his commitment to public safety, infrastructure, and also social reform made him a transformative leader. So his his leadership style may be controversial, but his dedication to serving Filipino people is undeniable. I admire his decisiveness, straightforwardness, and also willingness to take risks for the nation's progress. So, Rodrigo Roa Duterte is a leader who left a lasting impact on the Philippines. So, his leadership style, policies, and dedication to service continue to shape country's future. So, that will be all. Thank you.